Did you know people are making thousands of dollars every month just by posting simple football shorts on YouTube? And no, it's not only huge channels or big brands. Even regular creators with no fancy gear or editing experience are doing it. Some videos can be put together in less than an hour and still pull in hundreds of dollars. All you're really doing is combining clips of football moments, adding music, captions, and sometimes voiceover, and that's enough to turn into consistent income. Football isn't going away either. It's been massive for decades and only gets bigger with time, which means the demand for content will always be there. So let's break down how to do this step by step. 1. Finding video ideas. The first step is to come up with video ideas that grab attention in the first 3 seconds and keep people watching until the end. If you already follow football, you're ahead of the curve. You know which players are trending, what transfer rumors are heating up, and which clips are going viral. Use Twitter, Instagram fan pages, or football news to spot content opportunities. Train your algorithm by following meme pages, fan edits, and football fact accounts so trending content shows up on your feed automatically. That way, you're not hunting, you're being served ideas daily. Before starting, check YouTube Shorts to see what's already doing well. If someone's already hit big with your idea, you can model it. If not, you might be early. 2. Writing scripts. A good idea is only half the work, the script matters just as much. Many beginners either freestyle with no structure or use stiff AI text that doesn't sound natural. Instead, study viral shorts, look at how they open, build curiosity, and deliver a payoff. Then write in a similar style. Start strong with a surprising fact or bold statement, give context, and end with a twist or reveal. Keep it short and punchy. Every line should either build curiosity or deliver value. 3. Finding clips. You don't need secret sources. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are full of usable clips. Just search specific keywords like Messi free kick or angry Ronaldo. Focus on clips that are clean, high quality, and free from heavy watermarks. If the footage looks blurry, tools like video upscalers can help improve quality, and basic color correction can make clips pop. 4. Editing for engagement. This is where your video comes to life. Use background music, sound effects, arrows, and captions to keep attention high. Consistency helps too. Choose a color theme for your edits so your videos are recognizable. Small touches make a big difference. For example, starting with quick visual cues, like an arrow, sound effect, or flash, makes your video stand out in the feed. The goal is to keep your swipe-through rate, the percentage of people who don't skip immediately, as high as possible. 5. Monetization. Yes, you can monetize this kind of content if it's transformed and original enough. Using multiple clips, adding your own edits, and layering voiceover or commentary generally falls under fair use and is eligible for monetization. Earnings vary depending on your audience and the time of year. Ad revenue per 1,000 views, RPM, might be higher during holidays and lower afterward. Beyond ads, affiliate links, for example, linking to football gear or merch, can add extra income streams. That's the full breakdown. Pick strong, trending ideas. Script them for maximum attention. Source clean clips. Edit with engaging visuals and sound. Monetize through ads and affiliate links. If you keep repeating this process, you can build a consistent channel and grow over time.